Hello, this is part 2. So today we're gonna make pushing cat but standing up. Okay, let's get. So we need a Sharpie, some crayons or color pencils, and we need a pencil if you want to trace, or a pen. Just in case if you make any mistakes, you can just erase it with the pencil because you can just trace it with the Sharpie too. Also, you will be needing your paper like this. Turn your paper like this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, make a big oval shape. Now make some triangles upside down on the hats. Make some U shapes on the bottom. Also, just in case if I'm going too fast, you can just pause. And make some U shapes like this. Where it's grabbing its belly. Now make some ovals and then color it in. Like these. Now we need to make 3 U's on the top of its head. Like that. Now make a U and then make another U for its mouth. And then you can make another U on the bottom of its mouth to make it open by making it more cuter. So I'm going to do that. Like this. Now let's make the tail. Like this. Now make some lines over the tail. I don't know how many lines has on pushing cat, so just add many as you can. And now let's like this. Now let's make the whiskers. Let's make 2 each time. Like this. Now we're done with the Sharpie. Now we're going to use the color gray. Or you can use a color pencil of the gray. Now you need a color in pushing cap. Now color everything in gray. But for the tail, you need to color each of the lines gray. And then after you put gray in the one line, you have to pressure it more to make it more like this. You see how this one's light? And then after you do that one, you make it more pressure. And then make another light one. Make a pressure one. And then make a light one. Like that. And then color everything. Now color everything gray. But don't color inside the mouth if you made a mouth. It might take some time because it takes a long time to draw everything in the picture. Put in the comments if you want me to draw something else, like Mario or something else like that I can draw. Okay, after you're done making the gray, making everything gray, now get this color for its side mouth, inside mouth. There. comments for what details I should put. Let's put some aesthetic stuff on it. Let's make some sparkles over pushing cat. Put a heart on top. Okay, now for the heart that we drew up here, let's color in the same color that we did for inside its mouth. And for the sparkles, you already know. We need yellow. If you don't know what sparkles is, it's these that are shining that we drew. You guys can add this if you want or not. And you can make your own details if you want. You don't have to copy me or something. Now to make a floor. Make a big line until you reach the whole paper like this. So it looks like it's real. Now, let's make some food. That's why we made a heart. Make this line like a square and then name it food on the bottom. And I make some little circles inside of it. And we can make the water bowl. It has to be the same size as the food. If you don't have enough space to put water, you can just put W. And then after you made the same size, you can make a wavy line over its water like this. Now we can color in the water and the bowl. So we will need gray for the bowls. Now let's color in gray for the bowls. Like this, as the same color as pushing cat's color in the bowls, but don't color inside the food or the water. Now for the water, we will need, you guys can use any kind of blue, but I'm using this blue. The blue is called blue-green, so it's this blue color. Now color inside of that water, just like this. Just like this. Now for the food, we will need brown. I'm using the brown for my color pencil because I don't have any browns. And you also can make some toys, like making a yarn. Okay, if you want to make a yarn, put a circle in the floor and then make an X on the bottom. And then make a line in the middle. And then make a line in the left. And that's how you make a yarn. And then make a wavy line straight. Like this. And we can add a mouse too. Make this tiny oval line. And then make a dot. And then make a dot in the middle. And then put its ear. It's backwards U, or its ear. And I'm making another U because it has 2 ears. Now let's do the same thing as the wavy line we did for the yarn. Like this. Now we're done. Let's color in those toys. For the yarn, we should color it purple. It doesn't matter what purple you use, because remember, you don't have to copy me. You can make your own details. And for the rat, the mouse toy, we will make it gray. It seems like we're done, but we have something else. Let's make some of these plants. Let's make these to look like the grass. But we're making a farm. So Pushing Cat is in a farm. Okay, once you finish in a line like this, you should put a line under the plants to look like it's a real farm. And that's all. Now, what we will color for inside of the plants, we will color it green. Oh, I almost forgot to show you what we did. So for the inside, we will color it green. But for the outside, we will color it brown. So first, let's do the green for the inside. Okay, we're done now. Now let's put brown for each of the spaces they have. But don't color in the green too, because we don't want it to get mixed. Okay, the brown. Color it in. Because if you put brown, it kind of looks like it's growing. So we are making it tiny because it's growing a baby. If you ever want me to draw something that you like and you really want to draw it for me, you can ask me in the comments, because I will read them after I do this. Okay, this is how it will look like. If you don't want to add the farm, it's okay. You can just add it like this in here. And that's for all. I hope you enjoy, and also like the video for more art videos, because I think 3 views watched this. So bye.